Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your Axis Bank credit card account. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box at the top, type in www.axisbank.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official site of Axis Bank, which looks like this. You'll need to log into your online banking account first in order to access your credit card. So go to the top right hand corner and mouse over to the login button. Choose one of the internet banking options from the display and click the login button in order to get access to it. In the login area, go ahead and type in your customer ID followed by your password, your debit card number followed by your ATM PIN number, or your customer ID with your MPIN number. Select any one tab and fill in the information in the text boxes. Since I've chosen customer ID, let me type in my customer ID in the first text box. Now head over to the next field where it says password and type in your password. In case you don't remember your password, click on Reset Here link and follow the instructions. Finally, after typing in your credentials, click the login button, and that way you should be able to log into your Axis Bank online banking account, choose your credit card option from the menu, and you'll be able to log into your credit card account. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.